In the government's latest response,
You must stay at home.
Master of the house, doling out the charm.
It's very important that everyone
know that you are not alone.
Alright, so here's a quick little video on how to insert a moving GIF into a presentation on both slides and PowerPoint. Alright, here we go. So here's slides in all its uninspiring glory. If we wish to insert a GIF, we would first need to find the GIF, so a moving GIF that we want. Here we've got images, so you search whatever image you want, you go to Tools, and type, you want GIF, and that'll give you all the GIFs you want. This one's a pretty funny one. I like this one. It's where they get their TV back and they missed it and they love it so much. So what you want to do for Google Slides is you want to save the image address, copy link address. That's not right. Let's copy image address. That's the one we want. You go over here and you go Insert, Images, by Earl, and you just copy that right in there. And there we go. This should work super swimmingly. There we go. And to show you that it works, we can press slideshow. And here we go. All right, so that's that one. Now if we want to insert this in a PowerPoint though, it's a little bit trickier. Not so much so, but first we need to do is we need to save it. So save image as. Yep. Let's just go to pictures. We'll put it in school. Why not? Bam, save. Alrighty, so now we go into our slides, our presentation, and we go insert picture from this device. Where do we save that? We save that in school. We click on that one there, so we insert it. And that's it. So again, insert picture from this device, and that'll insert that, and that's all hunky-dory. And just to test that it works, there we go. So that's the two ways to insert a GIF or a moving image into your either slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. Bye now.